Well, it's April the 9th, 2019, and I'm doing a video of the undercarriage of my 1980 Camaro Z28 that I have for a project, and which I am listing for sale shortly. And the intention of the video is just to document the current condition of the car. I am working on the car, and I will be making improvements to it, cleaning it up over the next few weeks or a few months or a few years. We'll see how it goes. The car's got a 400 transmission and a 400 block that's got a stroker kit in it, bored out to 421 cubic inches. That's the way the car appears today, and we'll see what we can do with it. So here's the engine compartment on that car with a 421 stroker kit in it. It's a nicely built 400 transmission that is now 421 cubic inches. All kinds of goodies. I'll list the goodies separately. Now it's just do a video to give people a chance to look the car over and get a sense if this is a car they're interested in traveling perhaps a long distance to come and see the car. I like to give people a chance to have a good look at it. So here's the car running at idle. It's not quite warmed up yet. So I got a solid lifter cam with roller rockers in it. So of course you're hearing a little bit of valve train noise. That's what you get with a solid lifter cam. And a quick look at the interior. The car was taken apart in the interior a little bit in order to put frame connectors in, and I still haven't got it fully put back together again, and I haven't got the interior cleaned up. But it's a pretty hefty engine that